Imagine cruising down a scenic mountain road, wind in your hair, sun kissing your face, and behind you, not a bulky RV, not a clunky trailer, but a futuristic three-wheel camper that turns heads at every corner. Welcome to the revolution of tiny travel. Welcome to the 2026 Kevin Sears Camper Tricycle. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a bold, artistic rebellion against oversized motorhomes, screaming minimalism, freedom, and jaw-dropping creativity. Kevin Sears, known for blending art with mobility, has once again redefined what it means to go off-grid. Picture this: 3 wheels, pedal-assisted power, a rugged yet charming exterior that feels straight out of a graphic novel, and inside, a tiny home that somehow fits everything you need to survive, thrive, and vibe. People stop in their tracks to stare. Some laugh in amazement. Others whip out their phones to snap pics. But one thing is certain: no one forgets the camper tricycle. This isn't just built for looks. It's smart. It's functional. Solar panels provide renewable power. The frame is ultralight but strong enough to handle tough urban streets or countryside trails. You've got a bed, a mini kitchen setup, a water system, storage compartments, and even a fold-out table for meals or editing your next vlog. Yes, it's that versatile. It's like living inside a piece of modern art that moves with you, quietly, efficiently, and with personality. You don't need a parking lot. You don't need to pay insane gas prices. You just need the will to explore. The camper tricycle gives you the freedom to wake up with the sunrise in the forest, sip coffee on a quiet street corner, or watch the stars from the middle of nowhere. And here's the magic: it's entirely self-powered. With pedal assist and electric drive, you're not just reducing your carbon footprint, you're becoming part of a cleaner, simpler way to live. But let's be real, it's not for everyone. It's not about luxury leather seats or massive TV screens. This is for dreamers, artists, wanderers, people who want to live in the world, not just pass through it. Kevin Sears didn't design a camper. He designed a statement. A challenge to rethink what freedom looks like. And in a time where everything's getting louder, bigger, faster, this quiet little trike says, let's slow down. And just when you think it can't get cooler, there's the customization. You can personalize it to fit your style. Paint it wild. Add tech. Go retro. Go stealth. Whatever you imagine, the trike becomes yours, your personality, your rules, your road. So, would you dare to leave it all behind for a minimalist machine on 3 wheels? Would you trade rent, bills, and noise for sunsets, solitude,